Okay, let's talk about formatting. What is formatting? Well, formatting basically just means, is that how you spell formatting? I think that's how you spell formatting. Well, formatting basically means the experience that the reader gets when they read your book. Formatting is how you place your text and images inside your book, what the interior of your book looks like, in order to give your customer the best reading experience. So if you have really good formatting, then your book is easy to read, easy to consume, and enjoyable to read. If you have really bad formatting, that means your book is distracting to read. Maybe the images aren't aligned correctly, or your font is too big, or a bunch of different things that might cause the reader experience to not be as good as it possibly can. So, how do you do the correct formatting in order to have the best reader experience? I'm not going to write that. Well, there's a lot of different things you need to know when it comes to formatting. Now, I'm going to have a separate video where I'll show you how to set up everything correctly. But let's just assume that you did set up everything correctly and you're ready to format your book.